Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another project pan. So as you probably seen from the title, this is going to be my skincare and hair care project pan. And maybe a little body care depending on what I throw in throughout the project, but it's mostly going to be focused on skincare and hair care for now. So my goal for this project is really to collectively finish 40 projects along with my other project pan. So I have a makeup projects pan going on, and I'm also going to be starting another project pan maybe in a couple of days. So collectively through all of those, I would love to finish 40 products. Well, that's kind of a high number, I feel like, but I have 3 different projects going on, so I don't know if, I could blow that number out of the water. I could totally fail, but that is just my overall goal. I don't have a specific amount of items for this like skincare based project that I'm trying to reach. I just want to do 40 collectively, so if I only finish 8 from this project, so be it, but girls gotta try. So let's talk about what I'm going to be working on in this project. So I was kind of making lists of like what could I include in what types of projects, and when I was doing the skincare one, the first thing I thought of was the Sunday Riley Good Jeans. So I am currently right here on this product, and this is the small bottle of this product. If you know this at all, it comes in 2 different sizes, like a small one and a large one. This is the smaller one. The like expiration container on it says 12 months. I've had it for quite a while. So yeah, I have a ton left. I mean, I haven't even, maybe a quarter, maybe. That might be like a stretch to say that I've used a quarter. So I have a long ways to go on this, and I don't necessarily like use this every day by any means. I mean, clearly, as you can tell, but I'm just hoping I get some progress on this. I really want to have this gone. I like the product, but I just feel like it has to be on its way to expired if the container says 12 months, and I've probably had it for a year and a half at least. So yeah, I just definitely want to work through it. And then the next one I thought of is, honestly, it's kind of a random one. I'll insert a picture because I don't have them all here to show you, but I want to use all of my sheet masks. Not necessarily all of these are sheet masks. Really, I want to use all of my like single-use mask type items. So a couple of these are maybe clay, but they're in single-use packets. I have 23 currently, and I want to have 0. So I'm just counting these as one big product in the project. So once I finish all of these, I will count one thing done towards the project's goal, but really I want to have all of them done. Okay, this is a very, very new product, as you can probably tell, but this is the COSRX Advanced Snail Mucin Power Essence. So here it is. As you can see, I'm all the way to the top, essentially. I only got this maybe a few weeks ago though, and it's my only essence, so I've been using it every single day, like without a problem. So I don't think it'll necessarily be hard to see progress on this, but I don't know how long it'll last. I don't think it'll take me the whole year by any means, but yeah, I've been liking it so far. Definitely would recommend it, and I got it for half off during Ulta's 21 Days of Beauty, like the skincare version. So yeah, I was pretty happy about that. But yeah, rolling this in just because I want to be serious about using it. I don't want to use half the bottle and then just forget about it. So okay, next I'm rolling in my Bite Agave lip scrub. This was like the newer lip scrub they released when they redid their Agave like lip care line. But I really have not used this very much. As you can see, like from the outside, it's completely full looking. This is really quite a mess to like show you, but we'll see what I can do here. This is how much I have left, if you can get a gauge. So it's pretty full. I mean, I've used a little bit of it, but it's pretty full considering this like little plastic thing sits in the top. I really like this lip scrub, but I'm just not very good about using it. So if I could use it once a week or even 2 times a week, maybe. I don't necessarily want to push it, especially in the winter with my super dry lips, but I do like the results and I like using it, and like I like the product in general, but I just need to remember to use it and therefore get some use out of it. The main thing concerning me though is Bite. Their products are usually food grade, especially, you know, the ones that go around your mouth. So I'm getting nervous that this is going to be expiring faster than other products in my collection because it is food grade. So I wanna, again, really get use out of it, and we'll see how I go on with it in this project. And yes, I do still have it in the box it came in because I do that. Okay, so when I was thinking of this project and I was deciding to throw in hair care as well, one of the first things that came to mind for the hair care section was my purple shampoo, which is the TG Bedhead Dumb Blonde Purple Toning Shampoo. Also, this lives in my shower, so I am very sorry by its appearance. I may be a little over halfway. Can you see, like, I have this much left about? This is a very, very dark purple shampoo. I used to have my hair like pretty blonde. I was like one step under like where you don't have to bleach it. Like I was the next one of not using bleach on the scale of being blonde. I don't know if anyone's gonna get that, but if you dye your hair at home, maybe you'll understand. But I actually went a little bit darker, and I just kind of have like highlights now, which are not even like super visible and anything, but I definitely want to use this up because when I feel like my hair does get brassy, I can use this and it definitely helps. So I'm thinking I just need to, I mean, I definitely need to use it up because I just need to get rid of it. But I don't know if I'll continue doing purple shampoos because it's an extra step, obviously, but I've had this one for a really long time and it's just sitting in my shower going unused. So yeah, I really want to push through this product, and hopefully in the process it helps my hair be a better color. But if it doesn't do like absolute wonders for me like it did when my hair was super blonde, I won't be too upset. I really just want to finish it up. Okay, another hair product. I have my OGX Argan Oil of Morocco Weightless Healing Dry Oil. So I don't know if I bought this off recommendation of someone or if I just seen it in the store and was like, I gotta have it. But this is, I mean, it says healing dry oil. I don't know exactly how you're supposed to use this. It says spray helps rapidly infuse hair with sheer veil of shine, giving color, highlights, and a multifaceted glow while helping to prevent split ends and tame flyaway frizzies. I typically just spray this like in the ends of my hair and then like kind of run it through. I've never sprayed it anywhere in this section. Not that I don't know that I would ever do that, which is where most of my frizzies are. So I guess I can't talk to those claims at all, or necessarily the split ends. I don't know. I love the smell of this though, and it does give your hair a little bit of a shine. Again, it's just an extra step though, and I've had this probably since I graduated college, maybe even before. I've had it for a few years. Like if I graduated college in 2015, that makes us 5 years old. So I definitely need to get a move on with this. The open container symbol on the bottom says 24 months. I think it's still fine, but again, I don't really know the benefits of it except for it gives my hair a little bit of shine, but it is like straight oil. Like, do you see this? So I'm not just gonna go like dousing my whole head in it. So I feel like it doesn't move very fast. I'm starting right here, if you can see. So I don't have that much left, but again, I don't know how fast the product will move. So we will see. Something that I think is going to go fairly fast though is also by OGX. It's their Ever Straightening Brazilian Keratin Therapy Flat Iron Spray. So this is basically a spray. It's like a heat protectant spray. It's really for flat ironing your hair. I mean, I use the flat iron to do this. As long as it's a heat protectant, don't know that it really matters. I'm right here on it. So I'm getting through the bottle pretty good, I would say. I use it almost every day because I do style my hair almost every day. And I probably pump 5 sprays into my hair and like comb it through. So I don't know that I'll have a problem getting through this one. Again, this is fairly old, but I think this one should be an easy one, fingers crossed, so we'll see. The next product is my Thayer's facial toner, and it's in the scent coconut water. I have a ton of this left. This is the 12 fluid ounce bottle, and as you can see, I'm like all the way to the top of this white label here. I go in spurts with using this. I like the scent sometimes, and then other times I'm like, this is too overwhelming, so then I kind of like put it to the side. But I really want to get through this. This is such a large bottle, and I feel like if it's just sitting under my cupboard, like, what is it really doing for me? So yeah, I really just want to get through this. It could take a while because this is huge and I don't use that much, obviously. So this could be a whole year long in the project type of product, but fingers crossed it's not. But if I could finish it by the end of the year, I would be happy. And my last product, this is more body care, but this is the Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom Cream. Bum Bum Boom Boom, you know the whole thing. This is just the like baby size. It's the 2.5 fluid ounce jar. Okay, this is how much I have in here. Hopefully you can see somewhat before I have here. I would say it's like right here, like right at this lip, maybe. Honestly, I've been using this as a hand cream. I feel like if I use it on my legs, it'll go just too fast and it'll break my heart. I've had it since 2017, I want to say though. So I really just need to use it up because it's getting to that point where it needs to be used up. But yes, I'm just using this as a hand cream, so no, it's not going very fast. At some point, I may just like use it on my arms and legs for a few times. I don't know that I would do like a full body application with this just because this jar is not very big and it goes so fast if I did that like every night. I like the smell of this. Don't know that this is worth the price to me. But honestly, as a hand cream, I've really been enjoying it. So we'll see how far I get with it on that. But like I said, if I don't feel like it's going fast enough for me as a hand cream, I may like expand where I'm using it. But I don't want to start off doing it that way because it'll just go too fast and then I'll almost feel like I wasted my money. So that is my status on this. So that is everything for my update today. Hopefully you enjoy project pans just as much as I do. If you're working on any project pan items, leave them in the comments below. Also, if you love project pans like me, stick around because I am going to be starting another one in the next few days, like I said. So I hope you stay tuned and join me for that. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. I hope you had a great time and have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.